We are talking about a situation involving an ambulance for this edition of The Law and You. Here with us once again, attorneys Molly Clark and Greg Fellerman. Thank you both for being here. And the question is, are we going to see Ed sometime soon?
He's coming back. He's been working really hard. He presented to the trial lawyers up at Harvard. I mean, he's working hard.
Not that we don't enjoy Molly's company.
I was just going to say, you're trying to get rid of me.
Not at all.
No.
Just curious where Ed is. Ed's taken an extended vacation here from The Law and You, but as always, we appreciate having Molly here. And here is another question for our viewers, and this one involves a situation involving an ambulance. My aunt recently had a heart attack. After calling 911, it took over 30 minutes for the ambulance to arrive. She survived, but has had some serious setbacks. I believe that had the ambulance been there sooner, there might have been more done to save her. Is there anything that we can do? And Molly, I'd imagine that you'd probably have to start here getting some information and facts about what happened.
You would, and unfortunately, sometimes in this circumstance, you cannot pursue a claim against the ambulance company or 911. There's actually a law in Pennsylvania that provides those entities with immunity from suit. However, there's exceptions to that law, and one of the exceptions is if they acted with gross negligence or recklessness. And the only way to be able to determine that is if you, in fact, got the 911 records, got the ambulance records, and took a look at, the time the call was placed, what happened in between the call, and then you'd go from there. And if there is that type of reckless or gross negligent conduct, then you would be able to pursue a claim against the 911 center or the ambulance.
These are tough cases, though. I know that a couple have been tried or recently decided in federal court, and they didn't go well for the plaintiff. So, I mean, I think that they're very case-specific, very fact-sensitive. I think there's a local judge wrote a decision against the plaintiffs in a case recently. So, again, these are tough, and if you really have these feelings and questions, you really need to pick up the phone, call a lawyer, and get there ASAP.
Now, our viewers that need your legal advice or direction, how can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
You can also reach us on Facebook as well.
All right, Fellerman and Sarah Emboli. Of course, Results Matter with Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Thank you so much. It's been nice having you, Molly.
Thanks for having me.
All right, and don't forget you could get a question here on The Law and You through PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline.